Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So today let's see the try, except, else and finally block all together here. Okay, so see this example, it is a number guessing game that we play against the computer. So first we import random module as we are generating the guess of computer using randint function from that module. This function which takes two arguments and generate a random integer between that two numbers. Both are inclusive. I hope you remember this. Fine? Yes. Now we have included the part of the code where the user enters his guess in the try block. Why? Because if user enter any other input other than a number and when we try to convert it to the integer, tada, value error comes, right? And if it comes, then it is caught by the except block here. And this format of catching the error message and using it in the print statement along with our friendly message is also another way of using it. Okay, I hope you understand here. Now comes the else block. So when will this else block be executed? Only when the try block doesn't create any exception, else block will be executed. If so, the exception block will be skipped, right? As there is no exception. Fine, here inside this else block, three functions are happening according to this program. So one is in the if block, it checks whether the user entered input is out of range. If so, this message will be printed. Then in this elif block, it's checking if the user guess is equal to the computer guess. If so, yes, you are lucky to get a gift coupon worth 5,000 rupees. Happy? Else block here, yes, it says sorry message because his guess is not as same as computers. Fine. And now comes finally block. The code inside this block will be executed no matter what. And here it just displays the thanks for playing message. So when you create programs of your own, then include the code which have to be executed at any cost inside this finally block. Okay, so see, this is the output. So first I entered 3 and I got to be lucky because I won the gift coupon. Okay, yes. Then again I entered T. Yes, see, we got the invalid input as well as the error message. It is telling like invalid literal for int of etc etc. Fine. So when I entered 67, yes, it's out of range value. So it's displayed, and in the three outputs, see, thanks for playing displayed as it is our code run. Yes, the finally block. So okay friends, I hope you really got a clear picture regarding this try, except, else and finally block. So practice and have fun. That's it for the session today. And don't forget to like and share the videos, and as well do join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.